Researchers have long been trying to uncover the reasons behind the extinction of Neanderthals, a species of archaic humans that lived in Europe and parts of Asia from around 400,000 to 40,000 years ago. In today's video, SciTech Vault will shed light on a recent cell genomics study that explores the potential causes of this mysterious extinction. Thorin, named after a character in J.R.R. Tolkien's The Hobbit, a fantasy novel first published in 1937, is one of the last known Neanderthals, who lived around 42,000 years ago in the Rhône River valley in southern France. He belonged to a previously unexplored group of Neanderthals that had been isolated from other populations for an astonishing 50,000 years. This finding is the result of new DNA-based research on Thorin's remains, which were discovered in 2015 at the Grotte Mandrin rock shelter. The study authors used a portion of the root of one of Thorin's molars to determine his sex and generate a whole genome sequence. Thorin's DNA reveals no genetic exchange with other Neanderthals or modern humans, and his population was marked by high genetic homozygosity, a sign of inbreeding that points to small, isolated group sizes. Quite interestingly, although other Neanderthal groups lived just a short distance away, Thorin's population remained genetically distinct, suggesting a long period of isolation. The population of Thorin lived in isolation for nearly 50,000 years, without mixing genes with classical Neanderthals. To clarify, mixing genes refers to the combining of genetic material from different groups through reproduction. Since there was no interbreeding between Thorin's Neanderthal population and other Neanderthals, they did not share or exchange any genetic information. This adds a new layer to our understanding of Neanderthals and raises the possibility that factors beyond competition with Homo sapiens may have played a significant role in their extinction. Thorin's lineage did not embrace the new tool-making techniques used by other groups, supporting the idea that they remained cut off both genetically and culturally from their Neanderthal neighbors. New evidence found in 2023 shows that Thorin lived around 42,000 years ago, making him one of the last Neanderthals. All of these findings challenge previous assumptions that early humans were solely responsible for the extinction of Neanderthals. The Thorin discovery also opens up new questions about the social and cultural factors that could have contributed to the unfortunate demise of Neanderthals. Thorin's story highlights the complexity of Neanderthal extinction and suggests that we may need to rethink how these ancient human relatives disappeared from the planet several thousand years ago. In summary, factors beyond competition with modern humans, such as small group sizes and genetic isolation, may have contributed to the extinction of Neanderthals. These factors likely contributed to their reduced genetic diversity and increased vulnerability, which could have impacted their ability to survive and adapt in changing environments.